Seal, stuff, strike, burn. Join me to watch the wildest way to cook a pig in China. Ni hao, I'm Wawa. Today I get up very early. While most people are still lost in their dreams, the roasters cooking the roasted pig have already started their preparations. Don't know why, the slaughterhouse didn't deliver the pig on time today. Finally. The pig was slaughtered this morning, very fresh. It's cleaned with water and salt. People make the whole pig on the spit. The leaves used as spices are freshly picked. The leaves are stuffed into the pig's body and sewn up with an iron skewer. Before the pig is over the fire, we roast oranges first. Chinese people believe that roasted oranges are beneficial for the throat, especially when you have a cold. Small holes are poked to let out the air and prevent it from inflating and bursting. Hoof horn is removed. The locals call it taking off the shoes for the pig. The roasting process lasts for at least 2 hours, and the waiting time is long. The pig skin turns black, with fat and moisture dripping out through the holes. When the pig turns into a blackened piece of coal, it's time to make plant ash.
不，师傅，这个是水泥吗？
这个是草木灰。
哦。
The pig looks like it's been cast in cement. Once is not enough. Let's do it again. Time for rinsing. The pig skin sheds its blackness, revealing a red hue. Don't waste the remaining fire. Let's roast some beef to eat. Very chewy. Pig intestines are also delicious ingredients, but they must be cleaned thoroughly. And the same goes for the pig's heart, liver, and kidneys. Locals love roasted pig so much that one pig is quickly snapped up every day. During festivals, they roasted up to 14 pigs in a day. Chubby Fang is a very experienced roaster. He has roasted at least 4,000 pigs in 10 years. Although it's hard work, he enjoys the feeling of roasting.
这个是折耳根吗？
对，这个是延续。
盐须。
对，延续。这个是小米辣。
小米辣。
肉末。
肉末。这个呢？
辣椒面。
辣椒面。
对。这里是延续籽。
延续籽啊。
对。醋。
醋。行。There is something red here. A little raw.
Locals always enjoy roasted pork with liquor.
Unlike other roasted pigs, the skin is not crispy, it's soft. And the flavor of the deep sauce is a little spicy and salty and a little sour.
I don't think many people can accept this cooking method, but if you're curious like me, come to Yunnan and try it. Lastly, if you want to discover more interesting things in China and all over the world, welcome to subscribe to my channel. I'm Wawa. See you in the next video.